The topic of today's video is how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage, and the first thing that we want to do is click on our profile icon on the top here. From there, we want to click on settings and privacy, and in here we want to go to sign in and security. Then we want to go to email addresses, and we want to click on add email address. Now it's going to send you a 6-digit PIN to your current email address that's linked. So go to your email and then enter the 6-digit PIN here. And once you've got it, click on submit. Now you need to add in your new email. And if you don't have a password set up, they'll prompt you to create a password because you're going to need it. So put in your password and then submit. Alright, now for your secondary email, they're going to send you a verification link when you click on this button here, if you haven't received one already. And you want to go to your email and then just click on the link that's in your email, and that is going to verify this current email address. And it'll now look like this, and you can click on make primary. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.